myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss the chapter number 3, more about Word 2010, subject computer, class 5. In the previous videos, it was discussed by me about the Word. Word is a component of MS Office package which can be used by the user to create any kinds of document. Whenever we require to create a document for the textual representation of data, then we can use the Word. It is the most important tool for any kinds of documentation. In this chapter, today I want to discuss about the format painter. So what is the format painter? The format painter can be used to apply on one part of the document to the copy of the one part of the document to the other. Just like if you format any text, any paragraph, any word in a special format, and now you want to apply that format on another page, so simply we use the format painter. So first of all, we select the text, select the formatted text, then click on the format painter option in the clipboard group on home tab, then select the unformatted text and release the mouse button. Hold the left button of mouse and drag it to unformatted text, and the unformatted text will be appear with the copied format. Whenever required, it can be done by using the format painter. If we want to use the same format at different locations, then we should double click on format painter option and keep on selecting the unformatted text to be formatted. Next thing is the typing superscript and subscript. You generally see the text that appears above the normal text level, that is called the superscript, and the text appears below the normal text level, that is called the subscript. For example, in the chemical formula, just O2 is written in the chemical formula, so that is written in the subscript. So now you choose to apply the subscript and superscript. So select the text, go to home tab, click on the subscript or superscript in the clipboard group, and you can also use control CTRL shift and equal to key for superscript, and control and equal to sign for subscript. And next thing is the applying the finding and replacing text. If you want to replace any text by the other text, then first of all you find it. You go to Home tab and click on the Find option in the editing group. Then type the word or phrase. The typed word phrase will get highlighted at various places in the document, and a list of results will be appear. Now you write the new text in replace text box, and after that replace with and click on the find next. Then do one of the following: click on the replace button to change the highlighted word, and click on the replace all to make change at all occurrence in one go. It means whenever it is required to find and replace a text with another text, then you use the find and replace option. That's all.